Hello, my name is Eric Windheim. I'm a trained and certified building biology environmental consultant and a trained and certified electromagnetic radiation specialist. This is my 10th year. I've done over 1,100 assessments in 12 states and I've interviewed 7,000 people. Today we're going to be looking at 3 different light bulbs for EMF radiation. A standard General Electric 40-watt incandescent, an 8-watt LED from Dollar Tree store that cost $1, and a special blue light blocking bulb called Sweet Dream bulb, and it claims to be low EMF. So we're going to look at a couple different ways of measuring these. Number one is the Stetzer meter. This device here measures both amplitude of voltage and frequency of wavelength, and it comes up with the derived power factor. Anything under 25 is ideal, anything over 100 is extreme. So we're going to try out the General Electric bulb, and there's no change here, and there's no change on the oscilloscope either. The oscilloscope is a very useful tool. This is the 60 cycle sine wave. This is the dirty electricity. You know, just like the cardiologist uses an EKG machine to measure the electrical impulses from your heart, building biologists, scientists, and engineers use oscilloscopes and spectrum analyzers to measure the electrical pulse of devices. So that General Electric bulb is clean. Let's also test it for airborne with this AM radio. Nothing. Okay. Then we're going to go with this one here. This is the LED bulb from Dollar Tree store. Costs $1. The Stetzer meter is also $30, and there's nothing to show on the oscilloscope or the spectrum analyzer. Okay, so now we're going to look at the last bulb. The last bulb is called the blue blocker, the Sweet Dreams bulb, and it claims to be low EMF. Right there in the box, low EMF. Let's see how low it is. We're going to turn it on. Okay. The Stetzer meter is up to 665. The oscilloscope and spectrum analyzer. This is the waveform of the dirty electricity. This is the frequency. The spectrum analyzer says we're getting most of our dirty electricity at 62,000 cycles per second and 72,000 cycles per second. And even here on the very, very expensive Fluke 190-204 scope meter, we still see the dirty electricity here. When I turn off the Sweet Dream bulb, the dirty electricity goes away, and I turn it back on, it comes back. So we've got a Fluke scope meter, we've got a Picoscope 2204A, we've got a Stetzer meter there, and one of the most handy things that anybody can do is a handheld AM radio. We just turn it on, it's tuned to AM to the bottom of the dial. So we can see clearly that the Sweet Dream bulb, when it's off, there's nothing on the oscilloscope or the AM radio. So I would say that it's not accurate to put right on the box that this is a, quote, low EMF bulb. It's not at all. And maybe they don't even know what EMF is. So that's my report.